Welcome! In front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to make your laptop faster. So the easiest way to do that is to change your power mode. To do that, right click the battery icon right here, go into the settings, then select the power mode, and then if your device is plugged in, then you should change this one option. If it works on battery, then change this one option. For example, my laptop is plugged in right now, so I will change the plugged in option to best performance. So right now my device will work at best performance. Generally I would suggest you to use best performance for only for your device when it's plugged in, because when it works on battery, then it's better to use best power efficiency so that it can stay longer without charging. But generally, yeah, make sure that you're using best performance when your device is plugged in. And the next step to make your device faster is to right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager, then go into Start Up Apps. And right here you can see the list of apps that open up when your device starts up. As you can see, many of these are disabled, and some are enabled, and most of the enabled ones are basically just the basic essential applications. But if you, for example, have some Discord or game launcher or maybe some other program that you don't really need to start up when your device boots up, then just right click on this app and then select disable, and this way you will increase you will decrease the time of your device's startup, because it wouldn't need to boot up this program, and there also will not be another program that works during your work time on PC, which will also increase your device's performance. And now the last thing I want to mention is browser tabs, as browser tabs use a lot of RAM memory. So I just wanted to show you that if you have a lot of tabs open, even if they're empty, basically just the start pages, each of these tabs will work in the background, and it will require some RAM memory. Now if you go back to Task Manager and to go into the performance section, you will see that even the empty apps require some memory. So just to make your device faster, make sure that you close the tabs that you're not using at the moment, and keep your browser clean. And so basically that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.